Good morning, friends. Parents, this video is just for you. Today, I'm going to be teaching you our good morning song. Okay, so let's get started. Good morning. Hand, your dominant hand, which is the hand you typically write with, is facing you. Palm is facing you, goes down, and then your non-dominant hand is going to go right here at the crease of your elbow. Good morning. You're bringing that hand up. Good morning. I like to think of it as the sun coming up. From here, coming up. Good morning to you. You're pointing out for to you. Our next part is the day. The hand shape. So your index finger is up. The tips of your other finger are touching one another to make a D. Your non-dominant arm is going to be flat, elbow to fingers, day. And you're coming down, day. From the top, good morning to you, day. Again, D hand shape, index finger up, other fingers are touching at the tip for day. Next phrase is beginning. Your dominant hand is going to have a 1 hand shape, and your non-dominant hand is going to be a 5 hand shape facing you. And the finger for the 1 hand shape is going to go between your index finger and middle finger. And you're going to twist, you're going to rotate it, start or beginning. I like to think of you starting the car. So beginning, day, beginning. Our next phrase is there's so much to do, so much. 5 hand shape, claw it a little bit, so much, going from small and it's growing to be so much. Let's take it from the top. Good morning to you, the day beginning, so much. And then our next phrase is to do. Open B hand shape, curve it just a little bit. Your palms are going to be down, and you're going to rotate the hands inward, outward, inward, outward for to do. Okay? Take it from the top. Good morning to you, the day beginning, so much to do. Good morning to you. You got it. Let's sing it together. Ready? Here we go. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. The day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning to you. All right, you got it. Keep practicing. See you soon.